Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn clothes. Listen and learn with me. Shirt, a top with buttons. T-shirt, a simple short sleeve top. Pants, clothes for the legs. Jeans, pants made of denim. Shorts, short pants. Skirt, clothes for the lower body. Dress, one-piece clothes for girls or women. Jacket, a short coat. Coat, clothes for cold weather. Sweater, a warm knit top. Hoodie, a sweater with a hood. Blouse, a nice shirt for women. Suit, jacket, and pants together. Tie, worn around the neck with a suit. Scarf, worn around the neck for warmth. Gloves, clothes for the hands. Socks, clothes for the feet. Shoes, we wear them on our feet. Sneakers, sports shoes. Boots, long shoes for cold or rain. Sandals, open shoes for summer. Cap, a small hat with a bill. Hat, worn on the head. Pajamas, clothes for sleeping. Underwear, clothes under other clothes. Bra, clothes for women's chest. Swimsuit, clothes for swimming. Raincoat, a coat for rainy days. Uniform, special clothes for work or school. Overalls, pants with the top connected. Great job. Now you know 30 clothes. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.